YouTubers. Shout out to Pedro the other night. Rescued him and his girlfriend on the side of the road. They overheated in the Nissan pickup. Needless to say, they made it back to Santa Maria. I was more than happy to help them out. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. You can do now and just hit the subscribe button. There's new content. I wouldn't say every day, but getting there. So hope you enjoy. Here we are on an 06 Cadillac Escalade. There was a earlier video on this same vehicle with the coolant leak at the back of the cylinder head. Well, guess what? The other head's starting to leak too now, so we're going to get to it before it does blow out and overheat. But right now we're at this point on this diagnostics on this crank no start, and checked all the back probed the sensors, the throttle position sensor, the crankshaft sensor, the camshaft sensor, every sensor you could think of censored had been checked. Fuses all checked. And you got these fuses on the inside right here. Okay, see them? They've been checked. Okay. Now we'll go over to the other side. If the door, get the crawl over here and open the door. There. Okay. Make sure and we'll check that side too, so we don't leave anything out. Okay. I checked this. It's just like the other side comes out, but no fuses there. I opened the glove compartment. I popped her down. Nope. But you do have a cabin air filter there. So if you ever need to know where one of those are at, usually 9 times out of 10, your cabin air filter is going to be behind the glove compartment, right there above that squirrel cage. Otherwise, consult a professional. They'll be more than gladly to change your filter for you. Like at AutoZone, they probably do it for free. Anyways, so we're going to take that brain out and we're going to go open it up. Until then, over and out.